Welcome to this fun story with Lisa. If you want to learn English in a very easy way, this story is for you. Lisa speaks in short and simple sentences. Use this story like a mirror. Read, speak, listen, and repeat. Now let's enjoy the story. Let's go with Lisa. Because life is not boring. Lisa is a happy girl. She lives in a small town. Every day is a new day for Lisa. She wakes up with a big smile. Good morning, life. She says her room is full of color: yellow walls, blue bed, pink clock. She loves it. Lisa brushes her teeth. She looks in the mirror. You are smart. You are strong. You can do anything, she tells herself. She puts on her shoes and says, let's go. Life is not boring. Lisa walks to a small coffee shop. The sun is warm. The birds sing. She says, hi, Sam, to the coffee guy. Sam smiles. Lisa, your usual coffee? Yes, with a cookie, please, Lisa replies. She sits near the window and looks outside. She writes in her notebook, today, I will learn something new. Lisa sees people walking, kids running, and dogs barking. She smiles. Lisa sees a little school. Kids are playing outside. She says, I want to go inside. She walks to the gate. A teacher is there. Hello, may I visit the class? Lisa asks. The teacher smiles, of course. Come in. Lisa goes inside and sees kids reading books. One kid says, are you a teacher? Lisa laughs. No, but I love to learn. She sits with the kids. They show her drawings. One child says, this is my house. Another says, this is a cat. Lisa claps. Wow! So nice. She says, can I draw too? The kids say yes. Lisa draws a sun, a tree, and a bird. They all smile. They all laugh. Learning is fun. Lisa says, later. Lisa goes to the market. She sees fruits, clothes, and toys. A woman sells apples. Want a sweet apple? The woman asks. Lisa says yes. One red apple, please. She eats the apple and says yum. Life tastes good. On the road, a man plays guitar. Lisa stops and listens. She claps after the song. You play so well, she says. The man smiles. Thank you. Want to sing with me? Lisa laughs. I don't sing well, but I can try. She sings softly. People smile. Life is music, she says. Lisa walks into a small library. It smells like books. She loves it. She picks a book about space. She reads, the stars are far, the moon is round, the sun is hot. Lisa closes the book and says, I want to see the stars one day. Suddenly, it starts to rain. Lisa runs and laughs. Kids jump in puddles, Lisa's. Lisa smiles. Thank you, little friend. Lisa sees a small puppy. It is wet and cold. She picks it up. Are you lost? She asks. The puppy wags its tail. Lisa takes it to a shop. Anyone lose a puppy? She asks. An old man comes and says, that's my dog. Thank you. Lisa feels happy. Life is kind, she says. At home, Lisa takes out paints and paper. She paints her day. Coffee shop, school, apple, music, books, puppy. She looks at her work. Life is art, she smiles. Lisa gets ready for bed. She looks out the window. The stars are bright, she says. Today was a full day. I helped. I smiled. I learned, she writes in her book. I met new people. I saw new places. I tried new things. I used easy English. I loved my day. She hugs her pillow. Life is not boring. Life is now. She sleeps.